Hello, girls and boys. Welcome to Blackboard Techniques. In this class, we will be learning fifth problem in exercise 1.5. If you check out the playlist in English, you'll be able to find out all the previous example problems and exercise problems with solutions. Do check it out. The video link is in the description box. It would be helpful for you. Now we can see the solution. Now we can see the question number 5. Let A, B, C subset of n and a function f colon a tends to b be defined by f of x equals 2x plus 1 and g colon b tends to c be defined by g of x equals x square. Find the range of f of g and g of f. This is the question, right? What is given in the question? F of x and g of x is given. This is f of x, that is 2x plus 1, and g of x. F of x and g of x is given. We need to find the range of f of g and g of f. First, we have to find out the value of f of g, and then we should find out the range. Okay, here what had been asked? The range. We need to find out the range, right? First, we have to find out the f of g and should find out the range. And then we should find out the value of g of f and find the range. This is all about the question. Now we can start solving the problem. Here I have written the question. So now we have to write the given information f of x and g of x. For the solution, we should write the given data first. What is given? F of x, right? What is f of x? 2x plus 1. And then g of x, right? What is g of x? X square. This is g of x. Now, what had been asked? Range of f of g and g of f. All right. This f of g is coming under the topic of composition of functions, and g of f also coming under the topic of g of f, composition of functions. If you haven't watched that video, do check out the video first, and after understanding the concept, you can solve this problem. The video link is in the description. Do check it out. Here we should find out the range of f of g and g of f, right? Now we are going to find out the value of f of g first. F of g. Here, according to the concept of composition of function, what would be the expansion of f of g? We can write like this, f of g of x. We can write f of g as f of g of x. Then, here we should apply the g of x value, right? So, f of, what is the value of g of x according to the question? X square, right? This is the value of g of x. So, we should apply the value over here, that is x square, right? Then, now, what would be the next step? Here, we have gotten this line, right? After this line, what would be the step? Here, f is given, so we should consider f of x formula. According to the question, what is f of x? 2x plus 1, right? That is given in the question. Now, we should in this formula, we should apply x square in place of x, right? This is the one step. This is the process of composition of function, right? If you watch that video, you can easily understand this concept. So here f is given, that's why we are considering f of x formula that is given in the question. In this formula, we are going to apply x square in place of x, right? So what would be the next step? 2x plus 1, right? 2 into, what is the value of x here? X square, right? X square, then plus this plus 1, right? And next, what would be the next step? We can remove this brackets. So we'll be getting 2x square plus 1. This is the value of f of g, right? We have gotten the partial answer. Actually, what had been asked in the question, we need to find out the range, right? Range. In our one of previous videos, that is set builder method, we can represent the function in different forms. Different forms like set builder method and roster method, right? In that methods we'll be writing the range. Same thing we are going to apply over here. Here I'm going to use set builder method for representing this function. Why? Because I need to find out the range, right? So what is set builder method? Set builder method should be represented in the bracket, set brackets. This is set brackets, right? We should write the set bracket first. After that, what we have to do is, here I'm going to represent this answer. This is the output we have gotten, right? So we can say, we can take y as the output. Y is equal to 2x square plus 1. Here x is given, right? So this is the output we have gotten. I'm just taking y equal to 2x plus 1. Sorry, 2x square plus 1. Why? Because this is the answer. I'm just taking the output as y. That's it. Here I'm writing y equals 2x square plus 1. Now, before that, for set builder method, I mean for representing the functions in terms of range, we should include some notations like such that, belongs to, kind of things we need to include. So here I am including y such that. This simple is such that. Okay. Y such that y equals 2x square plus 1, comma, and I'm going to include one more notation, that is belongs to notation. Okay, here x, I'm writing x belongs to n. N represents natural numbers, right? Natural numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 and goes on. Here why I am taking this belongs to n? Here in the question that is given a, b, c, subset of n and a function. Subset of n means it belongs to n, right? So that I am taking n. So this is the answer. First answer, f of g is range of f of g. First question is we need to find out the range of f of g, and second question is we need to find out the range of g of f, right? This is the first answer. Why? Because the question is we should find out the range. That's why I have taken the set builder method. In set builder method, we can represent this function in form of in terms of range, so that I'm including such that and belongs to some notations. Set builder method consists of some notations like such that and belongs to. This simple is represents belongs to. This simple represents such that. We should include all these notations for set builder method. This is the range. Okay. We have gotten this is output. I'm taking y. Random letter y is output. Y equals 2x square plus 1. Y such that I'm including this simple, and x belongs to n. Similarly, we can find out g of f. What would be the expansion of g of f? This is the answer of first one, right? And expansion of g of f of x, right? So now in next step, I should apply the value of f of x. According to the question, what is f of x? F of x is 2x plus 1. So I'm writing 2x plus 1 here. And what would be the next line? Here g is given, so that I'm going to take g of x function. What is g of x function? In the question, gx square, right? So in this formula, I should apply the value to x plus 1 in place of x, right? That is the step we need to follow. So what would be the next step? In this formula, we should apply the value to x plus 1 in place of x. So x square, what is x here? 2x plus 1, right? Here the whole square is there, so we should include that also. So this is the answer of g of f. 2x plus 1 the whole square. And we have gotten g of f. What we should find out next? Next, range, right? We have to find out the range of g of f. If you are using set builder method, we should include the set brackets first. Similarly, what we have found in previous thing, we can follow the same thing. Here I'm taking this has been gotten in this g of f, right? So I am taking y means output, y is equal to 2x plus 1 the whole square, and y we can include such that. So I am taking y such that y equals to x plus 1 the whole square, comma. Here x is the input, y is the output, right? So I am taking x belongs to n. Why I'm writing belongs to n? Already it's given the question. All the elements are belongs to n natural numbers, right? This is the range of g of f. So the answer, we should write two answers together. Like first answer is y belongs to y such that y equals 2x square plus 1, comma, x belongs to n. This is the first answer. And next answer is y such that y equals 2x plus 1 the whole square, comma, x belongs to n. This is the answer of fifth problem in exercise 1.5. If you understand the concept like set builder method and composition of functions, you will be able to find out this answer easily. The video link is in the description. Do check it out. This much I had in this video. I hope this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, do thumbs up, share it with someone who might get benefit from this. For more updates, subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques. We'll see you in another video. Until then, Shiny signing off.